This video is brought to you by X Insurance.
Lynn Burks with Rotorcraft Pro.
Claire Luge, also with Rotorcraft Pro.
So where are we, Claire?
We are in glorious Orlando, Florida at the Orange County Convention Center at Heli-Expo 2015.
And some of the highlights that we're going to try to bring out of the show are the manufacturers, of course.
I want to see the latest, greatest, neatest things you'll ever see.
What about maybe showing some of the most underappreciated products in the industry?
Like you, Lynn.
Thanks, Claire. I appreciate it. All right, well, let's go check out the show.
Let's do it.
Welcome to Heli-Expo 2015.
And this helicopter is designed to be the benchmark in its segment.
Customer service is a cornerstone of Bell Helicopter. For 21 consecutive years, customers have rated Bell service and support as the best in the industry.
Rebuilding, re-energizing, and resourcing. Doing what we do in the automotive industry, which is using Silicon Valley and the consumer electronics business to think out of the box. And every year, we get stronger, we get bigger, and we get better. And I hope that we will have more women in this industry.
It's not a helicopter, it's not an airplane. It's probably best to think of it as an airplane that can land and take off vertically rather than a helicopter that can go quick. But that speed actually gives you profitability. The speed enables you to be cheaper on certain missions. It's versatile as well. There's nothing stopping you if you have this product, which is predominantly used for long-range missions. There's nothing stopping you doing a short-range mission.
So this is a composite airframe, so it's one piece. I see that there's no rivets. So what happens if it dents? Do you have to replace the whole thing?
You won't hurt it.
Prove it.
You hit it as hard as you like.
All right, better watch out. Incredible. Nothing. Just the residue left by the hammer.
That's it.
I see we have a bike rack here.
Certainly.
Bike rack for an AS350.
Yep.
We've got a cargo basket for the 350.
That's correct.
And you can actually remove this bike rack and put a basket right in its place.
On the exact same of mounting beam.
Right, so it's completely modular.
It is.
Well, thanks so much for your time, Jason. I really appreciate it.
I appreciate you coming by, and Rotorcraft Pro has always been great for Stereo Design.
Hey, thank you very much. Where's Claire?
This is the Rockwell Collins ProLine Fusion system. It is a fully integrated avionics system featuring touch control. The idea behind the whole ProLine Fusion system is touch what you want to change. So the pilot is able to see a piece of data on the display and touch it and change the parameters that he needs to. These displays are so configurable and so reliable that they can be applied to a number of different platforms.
So behind us we have the R44 FTD, this kind of surround view flight training device. Tell me about this one.
We find through our 50 years of being in business and training that first experience that the student gets in the aircraft or the simulator tends to leave a very, very long-lasting impression.
First impressions matter.
Exactly, and so what we want that to be is as accurate and as close as possible to the aircraft.
Now, can you go anywhere? Can you
Absolutely,
load?
it is
Really?
a worldwide database, so...
Lynn, let's go to Fiji. No? So how do you see UAVs complementing the helicopter industry?
Well, precision ag, for instance, is done by manned helicopters. There are certain situations where it's difficult to use them. This helicopter can get lower and slower and have less drift problems that would cause downstream environmental effects.
The name of this game is Accuracy and Precision.
That's right.
This is what this does. Fantastic.
That's right.
I'm here with Kelton Rochelle, ex-copter SimTech. Kelton,
hi.
Thanks for joining me today.
Absolutely.
And I understand that you've made quite a few upgrades to the simulator. Can you tell me a little bit about those upgrades?
Yeah, one of the major upgrades that we had is improve the controls. We're building them out of an all-steel construction. We're getting very close to the controls that are in the real aircraft, the R44. And we're also integrating new software technology. We have complete integration with ForeFlight on the iPad. We also have both headsets are fully integrated, so we have an intercom system which allows us to also include Pilot Edge live ATC software.
Well, it's been an exciting week here at Heli-Expo 2015.
And on behalf of Rotorcraft Pro magazine and Guidance Aviation, we hope you'll join us at Heli-Expo 2016 in Louisville, Kentucky, home of the Louisville Slugger.
Well, that's it.
So let's get these helicopters out of here.